Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you are new here, karibu sana to my channel. I am Femi Faye and thank you so much for tuning in. So in today's video, I want us to unbox this package from Amazon. It has my skincare products. Wow. So guys, I love the packaging itself. Just look. So let us see what is inside.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
So these are my skincare products from GARNIER. So number one, we have a vitamin C sunscreen SPF 50. I love this product so much. Actually, I have been using the GARNIER products. This is the third month now. So I decided to order again because the products are super amazing. So this is SPF 50. How many milliliters? 30 ml, and it stays more than 3 months. Wow. So let me show you the inside, how it looks. If I open it like this, guys. We have booster serum. Oh my god, I hope I'm opening the right way. This is a day serum. Yes, this is a day serum. First bright 30 times. This is a booster serum, a day serum. I'm using this during the daytime. We have here a night serum. Both the day serum and night serum, both of them are how many milliliters? Both of them are also 30 milliliters. The SPF 50 day serum, night serum, they are 30 milliliters. And by day they stay for more than 2 months. I have here a night cream. For the previous skincare, I didn't order a night cream. It was out of stock, but this time I got it. This is a night cream, vitamin C. Both of them have vitamin C. And this is face wash, cleanser, vitamin C face wash. We have a day cream. Yes, I love this day cream a lot. It's just little, but it stays so long. Even the face wash, it is 100 ml. This one, it's how many ml? 25 ml. Yes, 25 ml. This one is a day cream. And then this. I decided to order again a skincare, a face wash, a makeup, hairbands. So I bought this hairband, makeup, and skincare face wash. I bought this one. They came 4 pieces. So I have this one. Oh my god, how did I open this? I have this and this. It has the same purpose. Skincare, face wash, and makeup, hairband. And I also have the wristband, so that when you are washing your face, the water won't come like this, like this. So I decided to order it again. So I had this one, but during Ramadan when we were decluttering things, I lost it. maybe I put on things that went outside, but I'm gladly I had to order again, and here it is, my things. I'm super I'm glad, I'm happy. This is my skincare products. I have been using the Garnier products for, this is the 3rd month now, and I have seen a lot of improvement. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye. The products are from Amazon.